Oh, monster. Monster. Come on, baby. Yes, sir. Woo! This thing is nice, dude. What's up, y'all? Matt back again with another episode of Good to Go Fishing. Today, I'm hoping we get on some big old bass today. It's spring. I'm pretty sure that the bass are still in the pre-spawn mode, so I'm hoping that they're active and they're trying to feed up before the spawning stage, right? So stick with us. Thanks for watching. And if you like the video, hit that thumbs up. Peace. Got him. First fish of the day. Woo! On the chatterbait. Dinky little bass. Hold it up to the camera and make sure it looks as big as possible. About 10 pounds. Woo! Let's go, y'all. Come on. Got another one. Woo! Fish number 2, a little bit bigger. I'll take that. Yeah, buddy. Not too bad. Probably about 14 inches, 13, 14 inches. Oh, he was hooked good. There we go. Not too bad, guys. That's 2 on the chatterbait right off the bank. So I think we got our pattern going on. Let's go. Got him. He feels nice. Oh yeah. Woo! Oh, come on, baby. Yes, sir. Finally, come on, baby. Come on. Woo! Just caught me a nice one, y'all. Yes, sir. He wasn't even hooked. Watch. Shoop. I didn't even hook him, man. He's a chunk. That's a nice bass, y'all. Yes, sir. Let's measure this dude out. $16.5. Chunky bass on the chatterbait, y'all. These bass are just sticking right on the bank. They're hitting it as soon as the bank drops off too. Just crank it, pause, crank it, boom. Nice freaking bass. Yes, sir. Got him. Bigger one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Another chunker. Haha. Fatty right there. Not too bad at all, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. I'll take some more of those. Let's put them on the measuring board. Mouth closed, 15 inches. I'll take these all day. These are fun to catch, y'all. Rock on. All right, y'all. We had a good day so far. I think I caught 10 to 12. A lot of them were smaller, so I probably won't show them all to you guys. But overall, so far, a really good day on the water. They were hitting the chatterbait. I was using a chatterbait, brown and green. It has little sparkles in it, or whatever they're called. But I was using that chatterbait, and I had a Googan Bandito bug as the trailer. And then what I did, this is the magic tip, y'all. I dipped the Craws into some Chartreuse fish attractant, and that just made that tail just stick out a little bit more, man. So overall, awesome time. But guess what? We ain't done yet, man. We got plenty of daylight left. The weather's looking really good. The bite's still fire. So we're going to try and hit up this other place, man. So stick with us, and we will see you shortly. All right, y'all. We made it to the second spot. We just got to cart our kayaks about another 300 yards or so. We're hoping to get on some big ones at this pond, y'all. Hoping to get on some big ones. So we will see you on the water. Yeah, buddy. We on the board here. Not too shabby. Haha. Still using the chatterbait. It's probably about 14 inches, something like that. I don't know. He's not huge, but still a good fish, y'all. Still good fish. Pond number 2. This is my second fish, but the first one got off. I switched the chatterbait up this time. I got a Z-Man Zako trailer, and then I got the jackhammer chatterbait. So yeah, man, pretty pumped. It's not a bad bass. About the same size as the one that's got off, but still a good deal, man. We're still catching fish. It's freaking 1 o'clock in the afternoon, heat of the day, and they're still biting, man. Back-to-back cast, yo. That's what I'm talking about. Woohoo! Yes. Let's see how big he is. 16 inches. 16 inches on the dot. I'll catch more of these. This is fun, man. Beautiful bass. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. Got him. Nice one. Stay down. Come on, baby. Another nice fish. Are you serious, guys? Got another one. Woohoo, boy. Getting it done today. Haha. Dude, that's so awesome. Nice bass. I freaking love this place, y'all. Healthy bass. He hit so hard. Caught him on the weeds again, man. Right on those drop-offs. Beautiful freaking fish. Chunky. Don't get no better than this, y'all. I'm telling you. Mouth closed. 16 and a hair over 3/4, almost 17. I freaking love the chatterbait in the springtime. Let's go, baby. Oh, monster. Monster. Monster bass. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come here, baby. Yes, sir. Woo! Come on, baby. Come here, baby. Woo! This thing is nice. Yes, sir. Dude. Yes, sir. Come on, baby. Come here, baby. Woo! Look at this chunk, y'all. Dude, that's what's up. What? I switched the pattern, y'all. I'm so glad I did. So freaking glad I did. There we go. Big old bass. Yeah. Look at this thing, y'all. Woo-hoo-hoo. I think I'm gonna put them on leave them in the net real quick. I'm guessing 3.5. There we go, y'all. 3, 3, 1, 3, 2. Yes, sir. Let's get a length on her. Just a hair over 19, y'all. Hopefully y'all could see that. Yeah, 19 on the dot, dude. Yes, sir. All right, baby. Let's let this big dog go, man. That is a nice freaking bass. I am freaking pumped, y'all. Yeah. Man, what a freaking day we had. Oh, I tore him up. Check that out. Bass thumb. I don't even know how many freaking fish I caught, yo. I don't even know, man. I lost track. I've caught like, I think the biggest was that 19. And caught a 17, a 16, couple 15s. Tons of dinks, though. Today was freaking bad ass, y'all. Telling you. We had so much fun on the water today, y'all. So much fun. I'm sore. I'm freaking beat. We went to 2 different ponds. Pond number 1 was pretty sweet. Tons of dinks. A couple little medium-sized 14 inchers. It was all right. Pond number 1, it's okay. Pond number 2, we were going for quality, not quantity. And it freaking paid off. They were smashing it. It was pretty good. But I switched to a different pattern. Sometimes you guys got to do that. You know, if you're catching some small fish on the same bait, yeah, it's fun to rip those small fish all day, but man, sometimes you just gotta switch it up and try something new. So what I did was I went to the weed lines that were right next to drop-offs. So what bass like to do is they like to follow those transition areas where it's like weeds and then rocks, or then rocks and then sand and stuff like that. They like to cruise down those alleys looking for something to smash. And thankfully I got onto a semi big one today. The freaking bass hit right in front of my kayak, scared the crap out of me. But it was a super fun day. I'm whooped. I'm ready to end it, y'all. I appreciate you guys watching the video. If you like it, give me that thumbs up. See, that one has bass thumb too, y'all. Give me that thumbs up if you liked the video. Check out my other videos too. And if you like what you see, just hit that subscribe button. I should be having more videos coming out, hopefully on a weekly basis like I've been doing. If you guys want to see those upcoming videos, hit that bell so you get notified, y'all. Until next time, peace.